Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing this Houdini flame point velocity effect. Again, the last 3 videos now, including this one, have been on the point velocity node because I personally find it quite freaking amazing. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about that. And so what we're going to start off by doing is go into the tab here and drop it down a geo node. Diving in and just drop in whatever you want to set on fire. Whatever you want to set on fire and then have turn into flames. And yeah, so if you go to the Pyro FX tab, edit shelf tab, go to tools tab, and then scroll down to FL. It's basically find flames. So F is here and flames is here, so once you find it, it will definitely be there. Click accept and then it will pop up right here. You want to click on that for me, click on your sphere and enter. Okay, and so if you click play, flames. And so like obviously the voxel size on this is quite high, which means it's like a low quality, but that's okay. So if you just dive into Geo 1 for me, right before this sphere node, you're gonna want to drop down at point velocity right there, and you want to tick on add velocity. And you want to make point velocity visible and come out of obj, make this pyro import invisible, go back to the start of the simulation, click on this little display point trails node, and if you just push this, remember in the other video I described this to be like a rocket trail. And so it is very much still the case that this is a rocket trail. And so if you just click play now, see, I freaking love when this stuff goes to plan. But as you can see, this area here is like blocking it off. It's just stopping, which isn't realistic at all. So if you go to the gas resize fluid dynamic, go to the max bounds tab, and I think it's tick off clamp to maximum size. So then if you play now, it should just simulate what it needs to simulate, which is pretty good. And then if you go to the pyro smoke object, go to the, let's try division size. So if you set it to 0.5, does that look like it's even changed? Maybe 2.5. Yeah, I think that is definitely changing. And so if you turn down this division size, it'll be a bit more detailed, but it will just take a bit longer to render out and blah blah blah. And so it's looking pretty cool, but if you want to just control the fire a bit more, if you come here, tab, type in pyro bake volume, make that visible, you should, yeah, so like you can't really tell with that setting specifically, but like you can just play with the settings here. And so I'd say like set that to like a dark, maybe, and maybe set that to like a dark as well. And obviously you just pick what you want it to look like, or maybe even get like images of fire as like a reference on your screen, just so you can have a good idea of what it actually kind of looks like. And yeah, that's just pretty much the video. I just wanted to do another fire point velocity effect, and yeah, just a quick one. I got hopefully a jelly body object coming out this next week, and a fire breathing dragon effect. And yeah, lots of love and peace.